everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. So as you already know, because you clicked on this video, today is Stitch Fix Day. So I have my Stitch Fix number 31 to open today. So what we're gonna do today, we'll go over briefly what Stitch Fix is, all the details and all that. Then we'll do a quick unboxing and then I will try on the pieces. I will leave timestamps down below. So yeah, I can't wait to get your feedback on items. I'm going to New York in a few days, so I'm really hoping some of these items work out for my trip. That'll make packing this weekend a lot easier. But before we get started on Stitch Fix, I just want to remind you all I do have several giveaways going on, including my 7K giveaway that includes the new ABH and Carly Bible palette, and there's, like I said, several other giveaways. So if you have not entered, I always leave my giveaway links down below. So if you are new to Stitch Fix, it is a personalized styling subscription. So I guess it wouldn't really necessarily be called a subscription box because you get to choose the frequency. You don't have to get it every month or anything like that. You get to pick. You can just do it as needed, or you can do it every 2 weeks, every 4, every 8 weeks. I generally get mine every month. So every time you get a fix at your preferred frequency, you get 5 items. And when you first sign up, you do fill out like a questionnaire so your stylist can get some information about your style, and then they pick the items for you and they send them out to you. It's free shipping both ways. You do pay $20 as a styling fee, and that $20 goes towards anything you purchase. I do have a referral link I'm gonna link down below that will get you $25 in Stitch Fix credit. I don't know why Stitch Fix is hard to say today for some reason. But yeah, that'll get you $25 credit. So if you are interested in this service, definitely take advantage of that. But yeah, it is pretty awesome. I love it. So you can get anything from accessories, shoes, clothing. You get to let your stylist know with that survey when you first sign up. And I think you can update your survey at any time as well. You also let them know like what your preferred price range is. They say the average price per Stitch Fix item is $55, but it can be above and below that. Obviously, that's just the average. So you let them know your preferred price range for every single type of item. They'll be like, what would you spend on pants? What would you spend on a dress? All of that. So you give them all that information, and then you'll get your first fix based on that information. And then it's really important to leave some feedback on the items, the ones you keep and don't keep. So your stylist can learn more about you and make your next fixes even better. So I think I provided enough information, hopefully. I'll link down below my last video. I feel like I did a better job going over everything in the beginning of that video. I don't want to make this video too lengthy, and plus I'm just really anxious to see what's inside. My box is kind of big this month, so it comes in all different sizes based on what you get. So yeah, let's get this open and get started. This is what it looks like inside. So it looks like I received a pair of shoes. When you do it, that usually comes in a nice drawstring bag. You can keep it for storage or whatever. Then all the clothing items wrapped up. Here is the bag if I want to return everything. It's already pre-labeled. Like I said, free shipping both ways. And I love how they wrap this. You can see all of the items inside. Oh, it looks like I have a sweater. Normally I wouldn't be excited about sweaters because I live in Florida. Even in the winter it's not, well in the winter it might be a little cooler, but right now it's like not cool at all. But since I'm going on my trip, that could come in handy. And then here is a little envelope that has some information. So there will be the invoice. So this will talk about each item and give the pricing. And I did fail to mention in the beginning, if you keep all 5 items that are sent to you, you save 25%, so that's a big perk. So yeah, so if I decide to keep everything, or okay, the subtotal of all of my items is $359, which is a lot. I'll break down the prices as we go through. But if I kept all 5, I would save $89.75, and that would make the total $269.25. So yeah, so I will keep this nearby to reference. And yeah, it says, "Hey Kitty, thanks for letting us style fix number 31 for you. Enjoy." And then the other piece of paper here has a note from your stylist and then gives you some styling ideas for the pieces you received. And it says, "Hello Kitty, happy fix day. I hope that you're feeling the fall spirit even though it's still really warm in Florida. Since you weren't looking for anything particular to receive today, I chose items that would continue building on your work and play wardrobe." And then she talks about all the items. So you can request specific items, which is great. So that's what she said. I didn't request anything specific. If I knew I was going to New York, I would have asked sooner, but I already had requested my fix or whatever. So yeah, you can let them know if you have like a wedding coming up, an event, or maybe you just want some more casual pieces, or you don't want any shorts, you want all dresses, you know, you can let them know exactly what you want. So that's another perk. Yeah, let's get started. How about we start with the shoes? So again, it comes in this bag and it says on here, this is by BC Footwear, Set Me Free Lace Up Peep Toe Booties in taupe. And I wear a size 8.5, if you were curious. I guess sizing doesn't really matter here. Ooh, they're kind of cute. I wonder if I could wear these on my trip, but this is what they look like. It looks like they're like lace up in the back, but it's like a wooden heel and it is a peep toe front. So I'm not going to show you my actual feet because I'm getting a pedicure tomorrow and I don't, yeah, they're not show worthy, but I will definitely like try these on and see how they work. So let's see how much these shoes are. So the BC Footwear Set Me Free Lace Up Peep Toes shoes, these are $80. So that's a little bit expensive, but for shoes, I don't think that's too bad. So yeah, I will have to try these on. Usually I can handle heels like this, like heeled booties, so we will see. I think when I'm going to, I almost said California, what? When I'm going to New York, the average is gonna be like in the low 60s, which will seem really cold to me since I'm used to like the low 90s. But yeah, we will see. So let's go on to the clothing items. Ooh, so this looks like it's like a silky camisole. Like, I love the color of this. It's like a wine color or a burgundy color. There is a zipper in the back, and it looks like there's also like a little button closure in the front. Yeah, there's the back. And again, I'll be trying this all on. So this is the One State Stanley Peplum Detail Cami Blouse in burgundy, and this is $69. So this feels like really good quality. What is this made of, does it say? I don't know, but we'll have to try this on and see what I think and if it is worth the $69. I don't think I've ever heard of One State before, the brand, but. Next up, ooh, I love the color of this. What, is this a dress? Oh my god, this could be perfect. This is by 41 Hawthorne. I have several things by them, but it's a long sleeve dress. And it has like scale up detail, it seems like, in the front. It's like a faux wrap dress with long sleeves. This could be so perfect for my trip because it would be like, you know, because I don't really have any jackets. I'm so excited, I hope this works out. But the 41 Hawthorne Riley scale up detail faux wrap dress in dark green, and it is $78, which I would gladly pay if this works. I'm so excited, I hope this works out. So yeah. Try this on soon. I love the color. It's perfect for this time of year, isn't it? Next up looks like we have a sweater by 41 Hawthorne as well, and it has like some bell sleeves on it, so it's a pretty purple color. Here are the sleeves. So yeah, I mean, I could wear this maybe like casually on my trip. So it seems like this box was like made for my trip, you know, since it's so warm here, but yeah, so how much is this? The 41 Hawthorne Tamsin bell sleeve pullover sweater in dark purple. It's $58. And then the last item, which is that sweater I kind of noticed before. This is by RD Style. This is like an open cardigan. It's kind of long. So let's see. This is the RD Style Chara Bousselet open cardigan in off-white, and this is $74. So I'll probably start off, or maybe I'll try on the tank top and then put this on with it, so I think we could see how it would work together. But yeah, that concludes the unboxing portion, so now let's get into the try-on. And I'll be trying on all the clothing items, but sorry, I'm not going to show you my feet like I said. Alright, so here is the blouse, and it fits me. At first I was worried like in the chest, like this button up here would like pop off, or this would be like, you know, kind of showing too much, but I like it. It feels really nice. I'm just trying to think what bottoms I'd wear with it. I'm just wearing like my comfy black shorts I like always wear in my try-on videos and stuff like that. So again, this is $69, so it's a little pricey. Oh, my cats are in the bed. They're not laying on the clothes though. But I do like this, like maybe with some pants and like the sweater. So let me try the sweater on. And I was able to zip it by myself, which is important because anyone who lives alone sometimes knows that can be a struggle. So I'm thinking I could wear this sweater maybe like on like the airplane with like leggings and booties. Oh yeah, this like fits perfectly, like the sleeves. Oh my god, I'm kind of jealous of all of you guys who have like sweater weather right now already. So it hits like right at the knee and it's open. It's really comfortable. It's nice. So this is $74. So yeah, it's a little pricey, but I do have a budget for spending some money on clothing for my trip. So yeah, you guys have to let me know, do you think this is good? Because I think with like leggings and like a tank or whatever, so I could just wear the tank top in Florida once I'm on the plane in New York, you know, I could be cozy because I'm not gonna like get too dressed up for the plane ride. But yeah, so far everything's fitting and I'm liking it. I just have to figure out what I would wear, like what bottoms with this top if I kept it. So now I will try on the other sweater. All right, so here's the sweater. I like it. I like that the sleeves aren't like too long, you know? And I like how this cut is with the sweater on top. And it's kind of like a little bit fitting. So how much was this one? So this is $58. So maybe I could wear this like, I don't know, like a casual day, like when you're not too dressed up for dinner or anything, just like walking around. I think this is appropriate for like 60-degree weather, or maybe with like some jeans or something. I need to get some jeans. But yeah, let me know what you think of this. And now I'm so excited. I'm gonna put on the dress. I really hope it works. All right, you guys, I think I like it. Is it like not sexy though? You guys have to let me know your thoughts. So it's like the faux wrap dress. I think the scalloping is really like cute and unique. The sleeves hit perfectly. And the length is just above my knees. It ties right here. It's really comfortable. I think I'll for sure bring this. I think this is appropriate for dinner, right? Or do you think it's lame? You guys have to let me know. But I think it's cute. So I don't know. And I just put on like one of the shoes to try it on. The shoes seem comfy. Makes me taller, but you know. So yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts on everything. I would love to hear your opinions. I think this dress is definitely my favorite. And again, I think this was $78. Yep, 41 Hawthorne Rayleigh scallop detail faux dress, $78. So yeah, this is my favorite item, but I kind of liked everything. I just had to like figure out how I did incorporate it into outfits for my trip and like every day, like here in Florida. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. And again, if you're interested, take advantage of that $25 off. Anyway, I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.